Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem. Today I'll teach you how to leave a note on your Instagram. So as you guys can see, all these people at the top over here which says Rom and has some music at the top of their name. That is basically what note is on Instagram, and you can also add your own note. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So in order to add or leave a note on Instagram, what you want to do is when you open your Instagram, you can see the messenger icon at the top. Click on the messenger icon and it's going to bring you over here. Now once you're in your messenger, you can see where it says your note with a plus button at the side on the top. You want to click on it. And if you don't see this, then that means you probably haven't updated your Instagram. So make sure to update your Instagram because this feature is only available in the latest version of Instagram. Then you can type your note over here. I'm going to write this. It's just a random text. I'm going to write this. And what I can do is choose a music. At the bottom, you can see the music icon. Just click on it. Now, I'm not going to search for any music. I'm just going to choose a random one over here and then click on done. So like this music could be added to my notes. And what I can do is click on share at the top and my note will be added over here just like this. So that's how you guys can leave a note on Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.